As a Chief Human Resources Officer for ITC Infotech, one of my priorities is to build synergies in the talent supply channels. If you really look at today's topic about looking at a gap between the industry and what the academy has to provide, it's important for us to acknowledge that the gap will always be there because the industry is about applications and the academia is about absolute. Academia has always been ahead in terms of research, and industry has always adopted that research from an applicability standpoint. Our priority hence in ITC Infotech is to really look at it from the perspective about how do we bridge that gap of applicability. And our association with the industry and our association with the campuses have been about that synergy. In simple terms, it does not matter today whether the skill is about Java. Tomorrow it could be about machine learning. It's really about, have I necessarily been able to hire a complete software engineer? And what does a complete software engineer mean as an example? It is really about the learning. It is about learning as a habit. It's about being agile in the way a person learns. And that's where Prarambh, which is one of its kind initiative in India and is a holistic platform that focuses not only on formal learning but also the informal learning becomes relevant.
So in this learning platform Prarambh, we get regular assessments. Till now we have got quizzes based on topic like financial, banking, services, consumer products, manufacturing, travel and hospitality, and data science, and many more to come. So through these regular assessments, the students are able to bridge the skill gap and they are able to learn about ITC Infotech more and more.
Our students have acquired the knowledge and skill, but the shortcoming is always the industrial perspective and the practical implementation. ITC Infotech has given a wonderful Prarambh. With the learning platform, our students have been able to acquire the practical implementation and the knowledge as required in the industry. The best part is they can also contribute their learning and get connected to their mentors. With this, we look forward to our students acquire the knowledge and work on projects at the earliest.